Hi everyone, this is the review of Elliot Audio Splendor. This is the actual unit itself. As you can see, the speaker. The speaker itself is 3 watts. It has 580 milliamp battery that can last 2 to 3 hours depending on the volume setting. Here. This side, you can see the back and forward track. Volume, we're going to hold it to reduce or to add some volume to it, and you're going to press in the middle for play or pause or to pause the song. Then in this side you have to choose from Bluetooth, or the other side,
the external sound mode,
MP3, or which rather if you're going to use the auxiliary or the micro SD slot. Okay, this is the light indicator if it's in Bluetooth mode, and if it's in Bluetooth mode, it is blinking blue, and when you're charging it, it's on solid red. This is the mic, and this is the micro SD slot. The included cable has USB, 3.5 millimeter jack, and 5-pin mini USB. So the cable itself is proprietary. So this is the only way to connect to auxiliary. So if you lost this one, you're going to find another type of this cable. Okay, now it's time for the sound test. Going to connect it first. Okay, so now it's connected. So I'm gonna put the volume up. So we're going to try some track. It's on 50% volume. Now we're going to turn it on 100%.
Every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat, and I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go. Symphony, like a love song on the radio. We hold me tight and not let go.
So we're going to try another track.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone and masturbate. I've been trying to fix my pride, but that shit's broken. That shit's broken. Lie, 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 and try to hide, but now
Another one. This is the last song.
I I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan, drop it for me. I went to beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Julio served that scampi. You got it if you.
Okay. And that is the review of the Elliot Audio Bluetooth speaker. This one costs only 300 pesos on Kimstore. I hope you enjoy and like my video. Please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching.